Hello everybody, in today's video I am going to be showing you all how to make money off of YouTube. But before we get to that, we are just going to ask you a small favor to subscribe to our channel. Doing this will help us make more videos like this to help you all out. Turning on your notification bell will also give us the support we need. The first thing we're going to do in this tutorial is we are going to look up how to. Of course, before this, you are going to want to make a YouTube channel. But as of right now, we are going to look at the most popular how-to videos out there. So as you can see here, our most popular how-to video is how to remove disposable gloves the proper way. Making this video had, of course, made revenue from these people. This video was posted 2 hours ago, and it has 175 views. 175 views in 2 hours is relatively popular, and this will make you a fair amount of starting revenue. So, you're going to want to make your tutorial. After you have made your tutorial, you're going to want to post this to your YouTube channel. So, after you post this to your YouTube channel, you're going to have to wait and wait and wait until you get to 1,000 subscribers. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers, you'll now be able to make revenue. The best thing you could do to make this revenue is continue to make popular videos. So just look up gameplay videos, for example, if you know where I'm going with this. The most popular gameplay videos, are from Grand Theft Auto. So maybe if you have that game, you can make gameplay videos. AWM. You could do anything, PUBG Mobile, anything that's popular at the moment. Then the more popular, the more views and clicks you're going to get. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, it should never matter at all. If you don't have a lot of subscribers, just the amount of views you get makes money. Your revenue has absolutely nothing to do with your subscriber count. You just need to get 1,000 subscribers to make your revenue. So guys, I hope you found this video very entertaining. I hope you found this video very fun to watch. I will see you guys next time.